Hello students, this is AH Academy Maths Tuitions. Now we are teaching mathematics, inter mathematics 2B. In that already we have taught 6A exercise and 6B exercise part 1 also. Today I will start integration Maths 2B 6th B second part. Before we are starting integration 6th B 2 part, now integration formulas we just to remind one more time. In the first case we have 7 formulas are there. You remember this is very important formulas. Integration x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So first 3 formulas are power values are there. That means x power n, integration x power n, integration e power x, integration a power x. So these are 3 are, remember, it is very important. Now fourth form is integration 1 dx. 1 integration is x plus c is constant. Integration 1 by x dx, it is the 5, 6, 7 formulas are there, remember. So 1 by x, integration 1 by x, log of mod x. Integration 1 by root x dx is equal to root x plus c. 7th one, integration root x dx is equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. So this is the first case. Now second case formulas is there. It is trigonometry formulas. What is that? Here also we can say integration sin x is equal to minus cos x, and integration cos x is equal to sin x plus c. Integration secant square x is equal to tan x plus c. Integration cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x plus c. Integration secant x into tan x is equal to secant x plus c. Integration cosecant x into cot x is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Now in third case the formulas is integration hyperbolic formulas is there. Integration sin hx is equal to cos hx. Integration cos hx is equal to sin hx. And integration secant h square x dx is equal to tan hx plus c. Integration cosecant h square x is equal to minus of cot x plus c. And also integration secant hx into tan hx is equal to minus of secant hx plus c. Integration cosecant hx plus cot hx is equal to minus of cosecant hx plus c. Now this is the very important part. Now section 4. In the case 4 or section 4 both are equal. So here also 3 formulas are there. Denominator no root values are there. Now 4, 5, 6 are root values are there. These are very important, you should remember. Integration 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integration a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. నేను ఇక్కడ ఇందాకే చెప్పాను, already we have taught. A is constant symbol comes here, a plus x, remember here. Here constant symbol is minus, here in the numerator minus is there. That means integration 1 by a square minus x square dx or integration x square minus a square, these 2 formulas are very important, but the just here changing is there. 1 by 2a log of 1 by 2a log of both are equal, but here is constant plus value, that's we take a plus x by a minus x. Constant minus value, that wise we take x minus a by x plus a plus c. After then root values are there. Integration 1 by root of a square plus x square dx, plus whenever we see the plus value is there, sin h inverse x, or we can write log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Integration root of a square minus a square, sorry, x square minus a square cos h inverse x plus c, cos h inverse x by a plus c, or log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c here. And also integration root of a square minus x square, in the above fourth formula is a square plus x square, root of a square plus x square, but here is integration root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. These are case 1, case 2, case 3 formulas. You should remember and thoroughly learn it. Now today I will start a new chapter, that is the mathematics 6th B inter 2B maths. Now how we'll do this problem depending on those formulas. So how to do, listen and carefully. The first problem, sixth B exercise. Sixth B part 2. Part 2. What is that? Evaluate integration. Number 1, first problem, integration 3x minus 2 whole power half dx. How will do? First you take this one, put 3x minus 2 is equal to t. What is that? 3x derivative is 1 minus of 2 0 is 0 whole dx is equal to dt. Again we can say 3 dx is equal to dt. That means dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. That means where is the dx is there, we can write 1 by 3 dt. Put in that equation integration t power half 1 by 3 dt. dx means 1 by 3 dt. Again this is, we can write, take the outside 1 by 3, integration root of t, we can write half, whole power half means root of t dt. What is that formula? It is the, in the case number first, 7th formula, 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 plus c. That means 2 by 9 t. What is the t means? T means 3x minus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the first problem. Now second problem. What is the second problem? Integration 1 by 7x plus 3. Second problem, integration 1 by 7x plus 3, 7x plus 3 dx. How will do this one also? Take the 7x plus 3, put 7x plus 3 is equal to t. So 7 dx is equal to t. 3 is 0 here, is equal to dt, or dx is equal to 1 by 7 dt. Where is the dx? We can write 1 by 7 dt. That is the integration 1 by t 1 by 7 dt. What is that? Take the outside 1 by t, 1 by 7, integration 1 by t dt. 1 by t means our fifth formula is there. 1 by 7, case number 1, fifth formula, log of mod t, mod x is there, mod t here, plus c. What is the t? 1 by 7 log of mod t means 7x plus 3, 7x plus 3 mod plus c. This is the second problem. And third problem. What is the third problem? Integration. Integration log 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. How we'll do this one? Here also we can say put log 1 plus x dx, 1 plus x is equal to t. Log derivative is 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by x. 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. That means integration log of 1 plus x means 1 by 1 plus x dx we can write dt. So put in that equation, it is 1 by t. So integration t dt. What is the t? T integration is t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. That means that is equal to t square by 2 plus c. This is the form. And fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Integration 3x square minus 4x, 3x square minus 4 whole bracket x dx. Here also we take 3x square minus 4 is equal to t. Put 3x square minus 4 is equal to t. What is that? 6x minus 0 dx is equal to dt. That means 6x dx is equal to dt. That means x is equal to 1 by 6 dt. So we can write integration here x dx means 1 by 6 dt. This is the t. This is the 1 by 6 dt. Are you understanding now? If you have any doubt, please comment me. So take the 1 by 6 outside, integration t dt. So again we can say 1 by 6 t integration is t power 2 by 2. Already we have done in the above problem plus c. That means t square by 12 plus c. What is the t? T means what is the t? T means that is equal to t means 3x square minus of 4 by 12. This is numerator whole square plus c. This is the fourth problem. And the fifth problem is, what is the fifth problem? C. Integration 1 by root of 1 plus 5x dx. Here also take 1 plus 5x dx, x is equal to t. What is the 1 is 0, 5 means 5, x means dx is equal to dt. That is equal to dx is equal to 1 by 5 dt. What we can write here also? Integration 1 by root of t, 1 by 5 dt. So take the 1 by 5 outside, 1 by 5 outside, 1 by root of t dt. In the first case, sixth formula, 1 by root of, what is that? 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, 2 root t, sixth formula. That means 2 by 5 root of 1 plus 5x plus c. So these are the 5 formulas is there. So first of all, you learn thoroughly formulas. After then you do this problem. If you have understand this problem, so is there any doubt? Please comment me. I will explain you slowly, and also I will stop here, continue tomorrow. Please share this all formulas problems to your friends, and also like it, subscribe to my channel, Thank you. Thank you very much.